Multiplying with 6. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to multiply with 6. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Let's begin by skip counting by 6. Let's write this out on your board or your paper. Please follow along. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Let's chant together. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54, 60, now don't laugh, haha, 66, 72, we're great at 6's math. Let's skip count together. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Let's see how skip counting by 6's can help us multiply. On your paper or your board, I'd like you to write down these problems. 1 times 6 and 9 times 6. We're going to answer these together. With 1 times 6, we're going to skip count by 6 on the 1. 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. If you remember, when you multiply by 1, whatever the number is, it will equal the answer. For the next problem, 9 times 6, we will count by 6 on the 9. I'm going to chant. When we chant, remember, we touch every time we say a number. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, nerdy, 54. 9 times 6 equals 54. Well done. Be sure to check your work. I'm going to give you another few problems. Please copy these down. 6 times 6 equals 6 times 2 equals, and 6 times 4 equals. Please copy these down. I'm going to give you a few moments now to answer these on your own. You may begin. Let's answer these together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and copy down anything you're missing. In 6 times 6, we're going to count by 6. Let's touch and count by 6's. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. Next, we're going to count by 2 on the 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We can also count by 6 on the 2. 6, 12. It doesn't matter which way you count, just as long as you count on the other number. Here, 6 times 4, we're going to count by 6 on the 4. 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 times 4 equals 24. Be sure to check your work. Please copy down these next problems. 8 times 6 equals, and 6 times 7 equals. I'm going to give you a few moments now to answer these problems on your own. You may begin. Let's answer these together. If you're not finished, you may copy down what you're missing. We're going to count by 6 on the 8. I'm going to chant. Follow along with me. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. 8 times 6 equals 48. Remember, if you're using a chant, you only touch when you say a number. On the next one, 6 times 7, I'm going to count by 6 on the 7. Count with me. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. 6 times 7 equals 42. Be sure to check your work. I'm going to give you another set of problems. 0 times 6 equals 3 times 6 equals 5 times 6 equals. Please copy these down. I'm going to give you a few moments now to answer these on your own. You may begin. Let's answer these together. If you're not finished, you may copy down what you're missing. With 0 times 6, we're multiplying by 0. Whenever you multiply by 0, the answer is always 0. With 3 times 6, we're going to count by 6 on the 3. Count with me. 6, 12, 18. 3 times 6 equals 18. Finally, we're going to count by 6 on the 5. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we learned how to multiply with 6. Thank you for following along.